Hello friends, welcome to Padhuskitchen. In today's video, we are going to see how to make Ragi Idiyappam, that is finger millet Idiyappam, and a simple Ragi Idiyappam Upma. This is very easy to prepare and also Ragi is highly nutritious. Let's get started. I am taking 1 cup of sieved Ragi flour, 1/4 cup regular Idiyappam flour. Adding Idiyappam flour gives more texture to the Idiyappam. Salt needed. Mix well. Boil a little more than 1 cup of water. Add a tablespoon of oil. Let it come to rolling boil. In the meantime, grease the idli plate or steamer plate with oil and keep it ready. I will be using this disc with tiny holes for making Idiyappam. This has started boiling. Now we will make the dough using this boiling water. Add little at a time and make a soft dough. I have added around 1 cup and 4 tablespoons of water. This will vary depending on the quality of the flour used. Do not add too much water, then you will not be able to squeeze it out. Once it is warm, use your hands to make the dough. Dough is ready. It is neither too soft nor too hard. Take a small portion of the dough. Squeeze out Idiyappam using the Idiyappam maker. Keep the remaining dough covered to prevent drying. Squeeze it when it is warm. Rotate it in a circular motion while squeezing so that it will not fall in the same place. If it falls in the same place, it will not get cooked properly. Bring water to rolling boil in a steamer. Steam cook the Idiyappams for 10 to 15 minutes. This is steam cooking for more than 10 minutes. Wet your fingers, touch and see. If it is not sticking, it indicates that it is cooked well. Idiyappam is cooked well. Ragi Idiyappam is ready. You can have this with coconut milk and jaggery. Another way to enjoy this is to make a delicious upma with this. See how soft it is? That is because we have added oil. For that we need 1 cup pearl onions finely chopped, green chilies, ginger, green chili, curry leaves, 1 carrot grated. Now tear this roughly. You can also use grated pumpkin or beetroot. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil. If you add less oil, upma will be very dry. Add a teaspoon of mustard seeds, urad dal, red chilies, asafoetida. Saute until dal changes to golden brown. Add shallots, ginger, green chilies and curry leaves. If you do not have time, you can use big onions, but upma will be more tasty if you add shallots. Add grated carrot. Saute until onions turn transparent. Add salt needed. Onions have turned transparent. Add the Ragi Idiyappam. Mix well. Turn off the heat. Add finely chopped coriander leaves. grated coconut, mix well. Delicious Ragi Upma is ready. This is such a easy and healthy dish. Do try it and enjoy. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to Padhuskitchen. Also click the bell icon so that you will get notified every time I post a video. Do share this video with your family and friends. Thank you.